In part A, we want to sketch the curve by using the parametric equations to plot the points. Indicate with an arrow the direction in which the curve is traced as t increases. X is equal to 3t minus 5, and y is equal to 2t plus 1. We're going to plug in negative 2 to 4 into the functions to figure out what y, x, and y are. So if we plug in negative 2, 3 times negative 2 is negative 6, minus 5 gives us negative 11. Plug in negative 1, 3 times negative 1 is negative 3, minus 5 is negative 8. 3 times 0 is 0, minus 5 is negative 5. 3 times 1 is 3, minus 5 is negative 2. 3 times 2 is 6, minus 5 is 1. 3 times 3 is 9, 9 minus 5 is 4. 3 times 4 is 12, 12 minus 5 is 7. Let's plug it in for y. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4, plus 1 is negative 3. 2 times negative 1 is negative 1, negative 2, plus 1 is negative 1. 2 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. And 2 times 4 is 8, and plus 1 gives you 9. Okay, so when t is negative 2, the order pair is negative 11 and then negative 3. Next order pair is negative 8, negative 1, then negative 5, and then 1, negative 2, and then 3, 1, and then 5, 4, 7, 7, and then 9. So let's go ahead and plot those points. So we have negative 11 and negative 3. Negative 8 and negative 1. Negative 5 and positive 1. Negative 2 and positive 3. 5 and positive 1. Sorry, excuse me, 1 and then positive 5. We know we have 4 and then 7. Then we have 7 and then we have 9. So let's draw our line. Okay, and so therefore we want to figure out, okay, when does t equal? So when t is equal to negative 2, it starts at this point. This is when t is equal to negative 1. T is equal to 0. T is equal to positive 1. T is equal to 2. T is equal to 3. And then t is equal to 4. And so therefore, if this is the initial point, and this is the end, so we have arrows going here, 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 and then there. Okay, the next part to this question is that they want us to eliminate the parameter to find a Cartesian equation of the curve. So what we can do is, if we take a look at x, okay, we can solve for t first. So we're going to take a look and say, okay, this is the first equation, which is x, which is equal to 3t minus 5. And our second parametric equation is y is equal to 2t plus 1. So what we're going to do is we're first going to solve for t in equation number 1. So we get x, which is equal to 3t minus 5. Okay, if we add 5 to both sides, we get x plus 5, which is equal to 3t. And then divide both sides by 3, we get 1/3 x plus 5/3, which is equal to t. And now we're going to substitute this into equation number 2. So we have y, which is equal to 2 times 1/3 x plus 5/3 plus 1. So we're going to distribute the 2 to get 2/3 x plus 10/3 plus 1. Well, remember that 1 is the same thing as 3/3. So we get y, which is equal to 2/3 x plus 13/3. And therefore, we've eliminated the parameter of the Cartesian equation of the curve.